In primetime news this evening, songs promoting violence, illegal drug use and scamming banned from radio and TV. Mixed views from stakeholders regarding the ban on certain songs. And Prime Minister clarifies the status of some people living in Clifton, St. Catherine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, in the business review today, we have a mixture of good and bad news, but let's focus on the good for now. Remittances have increased in the month of August, and I'll tell you by how much in the business day. All
right, thanks, Andrea. Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, Jamaica and West Indies batsman John Campbell is contemplating an appeal against his 4-year doping violation ban, but the local anti-doping watchdog JADCO says it's prepared to go all the way to CAS. We'll give you the details later.
Thanks, Spencer. Before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we are asking, what's your reaction to the Broadcasting Commission's ban on music which promotes and or glorifies illegal activities on radio and free-to-air television?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.